Another one of America's big employers is sounding the alarm over Obamacare. Delta Airlines says its healthcare costs could explode by $100 million in just 1 year. Chief National Correspondent Jim Angle breaks it down for us tonight.
A top Delta executive dealing with benefits wrote the administration that his and other large companies reject one official's assertion that the new health care law will mean business as usual for them. Delta's Robert Kite met with an administration official earlier this year, then followed up with a 3-page letter that said in part, quote, "Make no mistake, the costs imposed on Delta and our employees are very real and they are escalating. The cost of the health care law and normal medical inflation," he continued, would, quote, "mean that the cost of providing health care to our employees will increase by nearly $100 million next year. A small part of that cost is from medical inflation, which the president argues the new law will curtail. One benefit the administration often trumpets, letting children up to 26 stay on their parents' plan, is one of the cost drivers.
That provision is really popular because people think it's just free. Oh, insurers just have to cover all these people who are under 26. It's like a free lunch. But as we know, there's no such thing as a free lunch.
That'll cost Delta $14 million next year, which will raise premiums of all employees, whether they have children or not. That is also the same provision that prompted UPS to make working spouses get their insurance elsewhere.
Putting children up to the age of 26 on a family plan has raised the cost of family plans in many companies, even in this past year.
And while the administration delayed the employer mandate, it did not delay the individual mandate. So a lot of young, healthy Delta employees who don't currently want insurance will have to sign up.
And that's going to cost an additional $14 million to Delta, which again gets passed through in the form of higher premiums for their workers, higher fares for those of us who fly Delta.
And then there's the $63 tax on everyone in the country with health insurance.
That's a $10 million a year tax on Delta and Delta employees that goes directly to other people.
Now, the Delta letter complains about the tax, saying it provides zero benefit to its workers and is simply a direct subsidy to the Obama exchanges out of the pockets of Delta employees. Brett?
All right, Jim, thank you.